Discover the easiest way to rent your property on Ilox.it. If you have a holiday home or a hotel, on Ilox.it, you will find the support you are looking for. Showcase your accommodation with ease and give it visibility. With just a few steps, you can help thousands of users find your property for their next holiday. Why choose Ilox.it? Increase revenue, save time, and give extraordinary experiences to your guests. With an all-in-one software, simple and intuitive. Collect guest information at check-in independently and automatically send it to the State Police and Ilox.it Accommodation Service. We integrate your accommodation with Google Hotel Connection, increasing visibility and the possibility of direct bookings. Your guests book at a lower price and you do not pay commissions. Stop overbooking. All OTA bookings, such as booking an Airbnb up to 120, are synchronized with our management system in a single calendar. These are just some of the advantages you can have on Ilox.it, but it doesn't end there. Ilox.it will publish on your property page, in agreement with the tour operators in your area, beautiful experiences to propose, in such a way that you will earn a part, and you will make your guests happy, who will in turn receive a percentage discount, and we will take care of everything. What are you waiting for? Then contact us now to find out more, without obligation. info.ilox@gmail.com